Okay, so today we learnt about division using bigger numbers, and our example sum today was 72 divided by 3. Now, when we are dividing by bigger numbers, we still need to create this margin on the right hand side of our page. So please make sure you have done a ruler's width margin on the right hand side of your page before you start doing anything. When we are using bigger numbers, now I've used 72 divided by 3, but sometimes our numbers can go into the hundreds as well. We want to get two smaller numbers out of this big number that are easier for us to divide by 3. So you need to think of a number that is below 72, but one that is easily divided by 3. Now, if you know your 3 times tables, you'll know that 60 divided by 3 will give us 20. So that's a nice whole number that we can use to start with. So we can put 60 in that bracket. Now what we actually want is for this bracket to equal this number. So we've already got 60 of 72. Now we need to work out how much is left. So 60 plus what gives us 72. And in order for us to work that out, we do a sum in our little margin on this side. So we take our starting number of 72 and we minus the nice easy number that we chose to start in our bracket, in this case 60. And we work out that little sum to get our second answer in the bracket, which is 12. Now it's much easier for us to divide 60 by 3 and 12 by 3 than it is to look at the number 72 and think, what is that divided by 3? Now we write our sum out with each of these numbers in their own bracket. There we go. Each of these numbers in their own bracket. So our first bracket is 60 divided by 3, and our second bracket is 12 divided by 3. Then we can use our margin space to write out the multiples of 3 up to 60. But that could take quite a long time. And we know that the 10th multiple of 3 is 30. We know that the 20th multiple of 3 is 60. So you can write them all down in the margin. But if you already know the multiples of 3, then it's actually quite easy for you. You just simply write the answers underneath each bracket and you add them together. So in this case, it will be 20 plus 4, and those are the two answers for the brackets, and this one, and there's your final answer.